Welcome back to my channel today. If you know what that is, then you know what's really about to go down. We are making Coquito. Coquito is a drink. As far as I know, it originates from Puerto Rico. It is a coconut and a milk-based drink, and it's really enjoyed this time of the year, like the holiday season. It is kind of like a comfort, or it's just, I don't know, it's just goodness. It's goodness for the soul. Okay, so if you've never tried Coquito, then follow me. I'm gonna show like 2 different ways to make it. So this is gonna be my first video, and then my next video will be Coquito with eggs. Okay, so I'm going to list all the ingredients down below, but it's a really simple recipe. We're just going to open the cans, as you see, open, dump, and then that's basically it. So the first can that we dumped in was a cream of coconut. Make sure that you get cream of coconut, okay? It's not the same as coconut milk. The second can that we dumped in was the coconut milk. The third can that we dumped in was evaporated milk. And now this last can that we're about to dump in is condensed milk, okay? Please, if you've never had it, it's okay. Just go with me, follow the flow. I'm telling you, like, just do it. Just do it. This is just goodness, okay? So we are pouring this in. You want to get every drop out of there. So I got my little spoon, and we're going to scrape. Make sure that we get it all. If you're anything like me, you might want to leave a little bit back, so you know you can like nibble on that, because condensed milk is goodness in and of itself. Okay, y'all, if y'all ain't never had condensed milk, I don't know, maybe it's an island thing, but it's real goodness. Anyway, get your whisk together and just start whisking it. It's gonna be a little bit thick because cream of coconut is kind of like a syrup, and then the condensed milk is a syrup, so that sinks to the bottom. We want to make sure that we whisk, and get everything completely combined and incorporated together, okay? Okay, so please, if you are a native Puerto Rican, do not kill me. Just go with the flow, like I said. Normally, you do not use pumpkin pie spice, but I got so excited to make my coquito, and I've been planning on making this for the last 2 days. But then I opened my cupboard and I was like, yo, I don't have any cinnamon. I had nutmeg, I had cloves, I did not have cinnamon, and I was just like, I got pumpkin pie spice, this gonna have to do. And let me tell y'all, as like a last minute substitute, it covers all the bases, okay? So again, just go with the flow. We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, because like I said, it's got cinnamon in there, it's got nutmeg in there, it's got a little bit of cloves, and we're just gonna mix. So basically, once you get that in there, you are done. This is your coquito, okay? So I separated some for the kids, and this right here, this right here is for the adults, okay? All right. So we don't want to make it too strong. I have already poured out half of my container into like a separate jar, and then I just added 1/3 of a cup of some dark rum. I chose to use Bacardi. You can use anything else that you want. I don't have any Captain Morgan's or any like coconut flavored rum, but if you add that in there, it only enhances the coconut flavor, and it just makes it even more better. So what I'm gonna do now is take 1 cinnamon stick, and just kind of break it up. And I did this with the virgin one too for the kids. You break up the cinnamon stick, and you know, as it sits, it just kind of infuses more, and it gives it a really nice warm cinnamony flavor. So this is a really sweet drink. Be careful drinking it, because you know, the sweeter it is, the harder you fall. So we're serving it over ice, and this is it. Now, of course, you make the drink your own. So if you want some more, you go ahead and add just a little bit more. But I really hope that you guys try this drink. I am sure that you are going to love it, and you're going to be making coquito forever.